The architectural and pro packages of Vertex BD include functions for adding different kinds of trims. We have opening trims, as well as eave trims, and different kinds of wall trims. I'll start with adding some opening trims to the windows on the front wall of this house. So I'm going to start by selecting the front windows. So I hold down the Control key and I can left click on those 9 windows. Then up at the top I can select the Insert Opening Trims function. This opens a preview dialog where I can choose from a list of different preset combinations of opening trims. I'm going to select the louvered shutters with crosshead and sill 14-inch and click OK. Now all the selected windows get the opening trim combinations, and I can repeat the function on the front door. So I'll select the door, right click, and go to Insert Trims in the pop-up menu as well. This time I'll select the 1x4 wrap with crosshead and click OK. We can also use the same function to add the trim to the interior side of the openings. First I'm going to hide part of the house so that we can see the inside. So I'm going to right click and use Set 3D Limits. I'm going to select the top plane, slide it down until we can see inside that first level. So I left click there and hit confirm. And then we'll go to the Insert Opening Trims function. There is a selection filter that appears on the left. I'm going to disable the door so that only windows are selected, and then I can hit Control A. So that'll select all the windows, and then I hit confirm. I'm going to select one of the interior trim sets. If I scroll up a little bit, you can see a section here where we have the Contemporary Wrap interior side. And then click OK. And notice the trim comes in on the interior sides of all the windows. The exterior trim is left alone. We can do the same thing for all the doors. So I'm going to change my filter to interior doors, turn off the windows, hit Control A, confirm. This time I can select the Contemporary Wrap both sides and click OK. So for the interior doors, we can add that trim to both sides of the wall. For the exterior doors, we only want the trim to come in on the interior side. So I'm going to select a different set. I'll change my selection filter, hit Control A, so that'll just select the 2 exterior doors, confirm. We'll go to the interior, and this time I'm going to do Contemporary Wrap interior side and click OK. Now I'll hit Escape, and I can right click, go to Edit 3D Limits. I'll select this top plane and bring it up, and I can see that those same selections were made on the second level as well. So then I'll right click and hit Delete 3D Limits. To add the eave trims, I'm going to select Eave Trims up in the Accessory Component Gallery. Then we can select which trim set we want to add to the selected eaves. I'm going to choose the 1x6 and click OK. Now it's waiting for us to select the roof areas. I'm just going to hit Control A to select all and confirm.